In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where you cannot take live photos on FaceTime in 2025. Now, this can be a bit frustrating when you want to capture those precious moments during a call, but fear not, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve it. Let's start by making sure that FaceTime Live Photos is enabled on your device. You'll want to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, select FaceTime. Within the FaceTime settings, make sure that the FaceTime Live Photos option is toggled on. This setting allows you to take live photos during your FaceTime calls. It's a simple step, but crucial for enabling the feature. Next, let's ensure that both users on the FaceTime call have live photos enabled. It won't function unless both parties have this option turned on. It's a common oversight, so before your call, double check that the person you're connecting with also has FaceTime live photos enabled. A quick confirmation with your friend or family member can save you from missing out on capturing live photos together. Now let's move on to checking your photo permissions. Go back into your settings and this time find the privacy and security section. Tap on photos and ensure that FaceTime has permission to access all your photos. This allows FaceTime to store the live photos directly into your photo library. Without the appropriate permissions, those live photos might not save correctly. Another important step involves your iCloud photo settings. If you're using iCloud, you'll want to go to Settings, then tap on Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos is turned on. This ensures that your live photos sync across your devices and are safely backed up to your iCloud account. Additionally, ensuring your iOS version is up to date can make a significant difference. Go into Settings and under General, select Software Update. If there's a new iOS version available, update your device to the latest version. Updating can fix bugs and improve functionality, potentially resolving your FaceTime Live Photos issue. Lastly, if you've tried all these steps and are still experiencing issues, consider resetting your network settings. To do this, navigate to Settings, then General, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this will reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, but it will not erase any of your data. This reset can clear out any network-related glitches that might be affecting your FaceTime experience. I hope these steps help you to successfully resolve the issue and you're able to enjoy taking live photos on FaceTime once again. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional assistance.